Welcome to this fundamental lesson of Module 2. In previous lessons, you discovered AI image generation tools and mastered the technical settings. But you're missing something essential, the designer's eye. Imagine a carpenter who owns the best tools in the world. Precision saws, Japanese planes, a perfectly equipped workshop. Do these tools automatically make him an exceptional cabinet maker? Of course not. Without knowledge of cabinet making principles, proportions, joints, wood choice, finishing, even the best tools produce mediocre results. It's exactly the same logic with AI. Many people generate images that are technically correct but visually mediocre. They choose colors that don't go together, don't understand why certain compositions work, and create inconsistent visuals. Today, you're going to discover the 4 fundamental pillars of visual design. These are universal rules that have existed for centuries. Great artists, advertisers, logo designers all use them. And here's the good news, you don't need to become a designer. You need to understand these principles to give the right instructions to the AI. The AI generates, but you are the one who provides the artistic direction. Let's go. Colors are the first element that the eye perceives. Even before reading a text or understanding an image, our brain reacts to colors. They provoke emotions, convey messages, and create instant associations. The color wheel is the fundamental tool of every designer. Invented by Isaac Newton in 1666, it organizes colors logically and allows for creating harmonious combinations. It all starts with 3 basic colors that cannot be created by mixing other colors: red, yellow, and blue. These are the primary colors: red for energy, passion, urgency; yellow for optimism, warmth, attention; blue for trust, calm, professionalism. By mixing 2 primaries, we get the secondary colors. Red plus yellow gives orange. Yellow plus blue gives green. Blue plus red gives violet. Mix in red and yellow gives orange for enthusiasm, creativity, and adventure. Yellow and blue gives green for nature, growth, and health. Blue and red give violet for luxury, mystery, and spirituality. Finally, by mixing a primary with an adjacent secondary, we get the 6 tertiary colors: vermilion, amber, chartreuse, turquoise, indigo, and magenta. In total, 12 colors form the complete color wheel. Now that you know the colors of the wheel, let's see how to combine them. A color harmony is a combination that works visually. There are 5 main ones. First harmony, complementary. 2 colors opposite each other on the color wheel. Red and green, blue and orange, yellow and violet. The effect is a strong, dynamic, eye-catching contrast. It grabs attention immediately. Important rule, use the dominant color at 70% and the other as an accent at 30%. A 50-50 balance creates a tiring visual tension. Second harmony, analogous. 3 neighboring colors on the wheel. For example, blue, blue-green, and green. The effect is soft, harmonious, and natural. It's ideal for wellness, nature, ecology brands, and premium content. Third harmony, triadic. 3 colors equidistant on the wheel, forming a triangle. Red, yellow, blue, or orange, green, violet. The effect is vibrant, balanced, playful, perfect for youth brands, festivals, and education. Fourth harmony, split complementary. 1 color plus the 2 colors adjacent to its complement. For example, blue with yellow-orange and red-orange. The contrast is there, but less aggressive. It's more subtle, more elegant. Fifth harmony, monochromatic. A single color used in different shades. Navy blue, royal blue, sky blue, pastel blue. The effect is elegant, sophisticated, and professional. It's the choice for corporate brands and quality interfaces. Each color triggers unconscious emotional associations. Understanding these associations is essential to communicate the right message. And watch out, some associations are particularly strong in Africa. In Africa, mountain yellow, safari calm and M-Pesa green, and orange telecom orange are extremely recognizable colors. When you create for the African market, these associations are powerful. Warm colors, red, orange, yellow, visually advance toward the viewer. They attract attention and create energy. Ideal for call to action buttons and promotions. Cool colors, blue, green, violet, visually recede. They create calm and professionalism. Ideal for backgrounds and interfaces. The golden rule, cool color background plus important elements in warm colors equals effective design. This combination uses the natural psychology of colors to guide your audience's attention. One last crucial thing about colors. Be precise in your prompts. Instead of just saying blue, use precise terms and use this structure in your prompts. Color palette, harmony type, composed of a dominant color with a secondary color and an accent color. For example, an analogous color palette composed of dominant navy blue with royal blue and a turquoise accent. Color plays a major role in graphic design. It can be used to evoke emotions, create an atmosphere, and draw attention to the desired message. By understanding the psychological impact of color and how it affects people's perception of your design, you can use it for maximum effect. It's important to note that color can be perceived differently depending on the culture. For example, what is considered a positive color in one culture might be perceived as negative in another. So it's important to do research and consider the cultural associations of each color before deciding on its use. Now, you've mastered the first fundamental pillar of visual design. Feel free to rewatch to better understand this first point. In the next video, we'll cover the second pillar of visual design. See you soon. Have a great day.